In this video, I will show you how you can set ChatGPT as the default search engine on Google Chrome, and you don't need any Chrome extension at all. So here's how you can do it. First, you want to navigate to this menu and then navigate to settings and go to search engine and then click manage search engines and site search. And here you want to scroll down a bit and you can click the add button right here for site search. Just click add. And let's call this search engine ChatGPT. And for the shortcut, it's going to be chatgpt.com. And the URL, this is very important. Basically, you have to put the URL in this format. And don't worry, you can check the description if you want to get this format. Make sure that every single letter and character is correct. And after that, you can click add. So now you can click this button, the three dot icon, and then click make default. And there you go. Now ChatGPT is replacing Google as the default search engine for my Google Chrome browser. So if I open a new tab, there is no Google search bar anymore, but we can just search anything via this address bar. Let's say I want to know about latest AI news. Hit enter. And now it is actually opening ChatGPT, not Google anymore. So this could be a shortcut for anyone that loves using ChatGPT to get information or basically to learn anything. And by the way, if you don't want to use the ChatGPT ChatGPT search engine anymore, you can go back to the setting again. You can go to settings and then go to search engine, click manage search engines and site search. And then you can set, let's say, Google or DuckDuckGo back as the default search engine, and later you can actually modify this. You can also just delete ChatGPT from your Google Chrome browser. And so that's how you can set ChatGPT as your default search engine on Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.